432. A 74-year-old female is seen in the emergency room with altered mental status after a fall. She has a history of atrial fibrillation and takes warfarin daily. On examination, she does not open her eyes, withdraws from pain, and makes incomprehensible sounds. What is her GCS score? The answer is E, 7. 433. A 35-year-old man involved in a motor vehicle crash is found to have multiple cerebral contusions within the left frontal lobe. His GCS is 6 and neurosurgery places an intracranial pressure monitor. His intracranial pressure is found to be 27. Which of the following strategies should be attempted next to control his ICP? The answer is placement of the position in Trendelenburg position. 434. A 60-year-old otherwise healthy woman presents to her physician with a 3-week history of severe headache. A contrast CT scan reveals a small circular hypodense lesion with ring-like contrast enhancement. Which of the following is the most likely diagnosis? The answer is D, metastatic lesion. A 33-year-old man sustains head trauma in a motor vehicle collision. He has a GCS of 15 and an obvious closed depressed skull fracture. Which of the following is not an indication for surgical intervention? The answer is A, depression of 7 millimeters. Question 436. A 39-year-old man presents to his physician with a complaint of loss of peripheral vision. Which of the following findings are demonstrated by subsequent MRI scan shown here? So the answer is B, pituitary adenoma. 437. An 18-year-old man is admitted to the emergency room following a motorcycle accident. He is alert and fully oriented, but witnesses to the accident report an interval of unresponsiveness following the injury. Skull films disclose a fracture of the left temporal bone. Following X-ray, the patient suddenly loses consciousness and dilation of the left pupil is noted. Which of the following is the most likely etiology of his diagnosis? So it's an epidural hematoma, and the answer is C, a tear in the middle meningeal artery. 438. A 42-year-old woman presents to the ER with the worst headache of her life. A non-contrast CT scan of the head is negative for lesions or hemorrhage. She then undergoes a lumbar puncture which appears bloody. All 4 tubes collected have red blood cell counts greater than 100,000. Which of the following steps is the most appropriate management of this patient? The answer is C, perform a 4-vessel cerebral angiogram, and it's a subarachnoid hemorrhage. 439. A trauma patient with a closed head injury is being monitored in the neurosurgical ICU. His ICP measurement is seen to rise precipitously. An acute increase in ICP is characterized by which of the following clinical conditions? The answer is A, respiratory irregularities. 440. A 24-year-old patient with known neurofibromatosis type 2 undergoes an MRI for ringing in his ears. The MRI demonstrates lesions in bilateral auditory canals. Which of the following is the most likely diagnosis? So the answer is B, schwannoma, because there is ringing in the ears.